Hello everyone, RS Jafar today here. Now it's time for the fun part. In part one, we tracked the lightsaber with our physical lightsaber. In part two, we had added a glow effect to our lightsaber. And now in part three, we are going to add the glow effect to the lightsaber. And the way we're going to do that is you're going to either go to Effect, or you can go right here where it says effects and presets. Just type in glow. It's under the stylized one. So if you're trying to find it, if you go to effect and let me get out of this here really quick. If we go over here, we select the pre-comp layer, we go to effect, stylize, we will find glow right here. When I choose that option, it'll show me the properties for the glow. And for the A and B, we're going to set the colors of our lightsaber. So if you want to use a red lightsaber, you would use red. Or if you want to use a blue lightsaber, you would choose blue. So I'm just going to choose kind of this blue here. And you want it to be, I'm going to actually go with green for the force, right? So I'm just going to use this green here. And then I'm going to use a variation of green for the color B to give it some variation. So I'm just going to kind of give it a slightly darker green there. Very subtle. You actually make it a little bit darker. And we can change those later. Now you don't see anything happen just yet because we need to adjust a few other things. Right here where it says glow colors, we need to change that to A and B colors. And you can see the glow appearing now. The other thing we need to adjust is the radius. We're going to increase that by quite a bit. Now you can see the green kind of appearing there. We're going to also increase the glow intensity. And so you have to adjust that based on your wish. And you'll end up with something that looks like this. And now you have your lightsaber effect. If you press spacebar there, see there's my lightsaber ready to go. The last thing I would say we add to make this look even better is in the pre-comp, if you choose this little option under this motion blur here, it'll add a nice motion blur that it will let it render to the lightsaber itself so it doesn't look so choppy. When you're done and you're ready to turn this in or let someone view it, first we're going to save it. So save the original. And remember, nobody can view the AEP file, the After Effects file. Only you can because you have the original content. But if we render it, File, we go to Export, and we go to Add to Render Queue. We can change the output module to H.264, which is pretty standard. And then for the output 2, we just click the little yellow text right there. We choose the location. So in my case, I'm going to save it in my lightsaber folder and name it whatever you want. You can name it, and it should say .mp4. We'll save it, and don't forget to click the render button so that it actually applies the render. And now, if you go to your folder, inside your videos folder, so we're just going to go to videos here. Where am I? Here, my PC. Videos, and I open my lightsaber folder. There is now a comp there, and if I open it, it should play it in a standard video player. And that's it. Hope you had fun, and see you next time.